Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the movement type and grabbing precise tools. This prevents damage. Begin by removing the strap and placing the watch dial up on a soft pad so you can access the case back. Use a proper case opener to unscrew or pry the back. Work slowly to avoid slipping. Once the back is off, inspect the crown and stem orientation, because how the stem is seated dictates the next removal step. Make sure to keep tiny screws and parts organized in trays. Once the back is open, locate the stem release screw or lever on the movement. This is the key to safe extraction. You hold the crown gently so the stem stays aligned, then depress the release, either a small screw counterclockwise or a lever inward, and pull the stem straight out about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. After the stem is free, support the movement with a movement holder. Lift it slightly to check for hand interference, and avoid touching the dial or hands to preserve calibration. Now you lift the movement out. Use non-marring tweezers at the movement edge or a small brass pusher under the dial feet while supporting from below with your finger bone or a pad. Place the movement into a dust-proof container or movement holder immediately to avoid contamination. If the stem resists, stop and reseat the crown, check the release screw direction, and retry under magnification. Forcing it risks bending the stem. Once free, double-check hands and winding function before reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.